On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, we're going to draw a shield, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to plan in pencil, draw it in ink, erase the pencil, then do all the fiddly bits and shading that make the drawing look great. You'll be needing a pen, a pencil and an eraser. To make this really neat and accurate, you're going to need a ruler and a set square and a compass. So what I'm going to do is make some marks up about here, and that's going to be about my center line, and I'm going to do 4 on this side and 4 on that side. So these happen to be centimeters. They can be any units you like. They can be kind of thumb widths or matchbox widths, whatever you want. And then what I'm going to do is draw 4.5 down, which you can probably hardly see. And then I'm going to place my ruler like that, and then I'm going to draw verticals like that. 1, 2 and 3, and then I'll slide that to the side there. And I'll move my ruler around like that so that I can then draw a horizontal and a horizontal. So this is 4 by 4 by 4.5. There, that's a bit easier to read. And then here I'm going to go in 1 centimeter or 1 unit. It can be whatever you like. And there in 1 unit too. Now I am also going to use a compass. So if I put the point of my compass there and draw right from the edge there, then here I'm drawing a curve which will lead into that line setting off at a tangent. And the same here, 1 unit centimeter in, draw a curve, and then that will be going off at a tangent. Join me on Patreon for images, help sheets and a whole lot more. Drawing curves are really difficult, so think of your wrist as being the center point of a compass around which your hand spins, and then start here, turn the paper around so it works best for you, and then follow all the way around to the top and stop. And then we're going to do the same here, turn it upside down. We want to go straight, 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 and then we go off at that curve and follow the curve around to a nice point at the bottom, and then draw a line across the top to create a really nice shield. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines, all your working outs. You'll be left with a really nice shield on which to design your coat of arms. So click up here, go to my How to Design Your Coat of Arms playlist for lots more ideas. Thanks for watching. Click down here and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawings every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, practice, practice. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.